Hi, I'm Susan from Wallflower Floristry, and today I just want to show you how to make a sweet and simple arrangement using inexpensive flowers with containers that you probably just have sitting around the house while trying to forget 2020. So for today I'm going to make an arrangement in a coffee mug, and I'm going to use this Oasis foam. You can find it at your local craft store. And foam arrangements are really great for beginners because they're so easy to maneuver. So first we're going to cut it down to size. So want it just a little bit smaller than that. Cut down a little shred here. Perfect, it fits. So next up, I'm going to take this foam and we're going to dip it in some water. Now don't force the foam into the water because that will prevent it from fully soaking, which will leave dry spots in the middle of your foam brick, which is going to be really bad for your flowers. So we're just going to let this sit for a little bit, and once it's totally soaked, we'll plop it back into the mug. And while we're waiting for that foam to soak, I'll just go over what flowers I'm going to use today. These are green button spray mums, got white wax flower, hot pink carnations, this is purple Monte Cassino aster, kind of looks like daisies, pink alstroemeria, and leather leaf. Alright, here goes nothing. We'll put this back in here. And the first thing that you want to put into your arrangement is the greenery, which in this case is leather leaf. So some people think that you should make a ring around the end, which is, it works, but I'm going to show you a better way here. We're going to cut the leather leaf by the branches here. Here. We're just going to spread the leather leaf evenly throughout the entire block. Put some on the ends, some at the top. And then next up, I'm going to put in the feature flower, which I would say is this hot pink carnation. Carnations are awesome because they are very cheap and they last a really long time. So, put them evenly around the ends here. Then we're going to fill it in with our smaller flowers. And then next I'm going to put in some of these green buttons that I talked about. And with these spray mums, you can cut off the little flowers individually, and you'll be able to spread them out a little bit more throughout the arrangement. Up to you. Next up, I'm going to put in this pink Alstroemeria. Alstroemeria is like tiny lilies, and they're really great when you want to fill up an arrangement and also expand its reach. I'm going to fill in the remaining space with purple Monte Cassino and white wax flower. Let's start with the Monte Cassino. There you have it. Nice arrangement with very vibrant colors. Now you know what it takes to make it. With foam arrangements, they can dry out pretty quick, so you want to water it at least once a day. And once it's all set and ready to go, you can put it up somewhere nice. I put mine right in the window in my kitchen, where I can see it every day. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks so much for watching. This is a very experimental format for me. Never done it before. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like me to show you how to make. I appreciate any comments. Thanks for watching from me and Rocky.